forget about me.
Alright, we're doing yet another vacuum battle. Today we're seeing which is the better childhood vacuum. We have the 80s Electrolux, which is speculated to be one of the Discovery models, the Hoover Elite from the 90s, and the Dyson DC07 Animal from the 2000s. Okay, once again we're going to put some powder to properly test this out. Alright, we're starting off with the Electrolux, so let's go. That did pretty nice. In such a short period of time, too. Alright, it's time for the Elite. Looks like we got another winner. Now I know last time the Dyson didn't do too well, but now that it has a new HEPA filter, let's see if it's actually improved. Seriously, look at that. So, even with the new HEPA filter, the Dyson fails. So, I think we know what the winners are. It's actually a tie between the Electrolux and the Hoover. So, that is my vacuum battle. I'll see you next time.